Hey guys, today I'm showing you how to make my strawberry and banana roll-ups. These are absolutely delicious and the perfect little sweet treat. These really don't take long to make at all. I'm gonna start by chopping up my bananas. Of course, I'll take the skin off, and then I also like to take off any of the stringy bits on the side. Before I cut my second banana, I'm just going to melt my butter and sugar in my pan. This is going to give the bananas a lovely caramel flavour. Before I add in the banana, I like to give the butter and sugar a bit of a sizzle so it almost caramelizes first before I add in the bananas. I'm going to pour in the bananas and cook those in that delicious butter and sugar. My bananas are done. That only takes a couple of minutes, so I'm going to take them off the heat until I need them later. Now to make my little rolls, I'm using white medium thick bread. I'm gonna do 2 at a time. You probably could do quite a few more at a time, but I'm gonna be nice and precise because I don't want to get rid of too much of the bread. And just taking a sharp serrated knife, you want to cut off the crusts. And then taking a rolling pin, you want to roll out the bread. I'd never done this before, but it's actually really quite therapeutic. So press down hard and roll it out. Time to get filling up my little rolls. I'm going to start with a line of the banana. Now using the back of my wooden spoon, because they're nice and soft, I'm going to break them down just a bit more. And then on top of that, I'm going to add on some sliced strawberries. I didn't want to cook these down because I didn't want it to be too slushy. So place those on top. And then you want to roll that up as tight as you can, short ways. Pop that onto a baking tray, seam down, so it can try keep nice and close. If it does keep unrolling, just take your rolling pin and roll out the edge just to thin it down. The next step to our delicious rolls is to dunk them in some butter. I've just melted that in the microwave, and then into some delicious cinnamon sugar. Just caster sugar and cinnamon, up to you how much you put in. When you're dipping the rolls in the butter and the sugar, just make sure to really cover the ends. Don't scrimp on the sugar, you want to cover everything as it will add a lovely crisp crust. It's pretty messy on the hands, but it's worth it in the end. These are now ready to go into the oven for about 15 minutes until they're crisp on the outside and lovely and juicy in the middle. I'm making a super simple chocolate sauce to enjoy with my rolls. I've got some chopped up milk chocolate. I'm gonna pour over some double cream. And then that can go in the microwave on short bursts until it's all melted. They're out of the oven, they've got a lovely crisp shell, and they've really made my kitchen smell delicious. You can really smell that fresh, fruity strawberry. Time to plate up. So that is how you make my strawberry and banana roll-ups. Easy.